Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the triangle for the Surron Ultra B. Let's get right into it. First things first, we're going to remove the subframe to make things a little easier for us. For this next part, you're going to need a 14mm and a 13mm socket to go ahead and remove these two bolts. Next, remove the upper shock mount bolt with a 14mm socket. Last step is to remove the triangle using a 7mm Allen key. Make sure to apply the Loctite that's included in your packaging. Then grab your new warp 9 triangle. Loosen the set screws with a 2mm Allen key before installation. Now that the triangle is installed, let's reinstall the shock and linkage. Once everything is tightened and in place, we're going to tighten the set screws with a 2mm Allen key. Everything's reinstalled. All that there's left to do is to reinstall the subframe. Lube Zerk fittings till grease comes out of the pivot, compress suspension a few times, lube again, and wipe any excess grease from the pivot areas. Lube Zerk several times a year or after pressure washer use or anytime water might have gone into the pivot area. Have fun ripping, guys.